In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine test-driven development with o1-preview for code generation, and it dramatically increases the velocity at which you can produce high-quality code. So let's start with a function. Generate me a 2-argument function called query array that takes a SQL string, an array of objects. Let's just support select star from arg1 where it returns the whole list. And roboco-op gives us some code to place in the notebook. Create some test cases. Test the function. So now it's given us a new set of test cases. And now we can evaluate how this did. And both have passed. Write some more test cases. So it's responded with a few more interesting cases. So now we can see some of our tests have failed. And we can see this reflected in the testing report. And this report is highlighted, and therefore it's been pushed into the LLM context. So now when we next prompt, we can ask it to just fix the tests. Fix the tests. And it's responded with an update to the query array. Quite a substantial one. As you can see, quite impressively, it one-shotted it. Let's make it harder. Add some more test cases that includes joining. So with these additional test cases, it's obviously got some new failures. Make the tests pass. And it's come up with a new update. Wow, it one-shotted it again. Okay, many more test cases really tests the semantics of SQL select. And now it's created lots of difficult semantics. And with a prompt this large, we should double check that it's not truncated. And then this ... means it's truncated the results. So let's increase the max length. Fix the tests. Our function, which has got very complicated, and it's passed some new tests and a few later ones, but it hasn't got them all right. This has got complex enough for o1-preview to start choking, so we can just ask it to keep fixing the tests. And this is the power of test-driven development. Even o1 gets things wrong sometimes. And by feeding the test results back into the context, it knows exactly which parts of its code are working and which parts need some development. Let's see how it did this time. Oh, so it fixed the alias. Oh, it's got most, so it's improving. Hasn't got there yet. Fix the tests. Let's see how it does. Now it's improved a lot of the early tests. It's fixed some of the later tests, regressed a little bit on some of the first tests, but it's definitely getting there. Fix the tests, please. Oh, there's only a few tests that's not failing now. Oh, it's getting really close. Fix the tests, you're nearly there. Come on, o1. So that's the general workflow. Ask for it to fix the tests, maybe expand the test cases, and it can iterate. The beauty of o1 is that it doesn't seem to forget details. It will refactor a function, add to it, but without removing what was already working, and it will just incrementally fix those test cases. And at the end of it, you have an awesome function and a set of tests. It's tangible working code. We did this in roboco-op. But the principle can apply to everything. Feed your test suite results back into the LLM context.